Let's make popcorn for the kids. Yeah. Hello, treasures. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So it is holiday time. Let's make some popcorn for the children. Adults too can enjoy this. Just add sugar, put sugar according to your own tastes. The good thing is that I'm not using popcorn machine to make this. I'm using gas and a pot or stove. So anyone and everyone or anybody can make this at home conveniently. So all I'll do is to dry a pot, then add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and also 1.5 tablespoon of butter. You can choose to use only butter or only oil. Do whatever you like, or whichever one you have, you use it. Then I'll allow that to dissolve. I'll also be adding a pinch of salt, but you can skip the salt if you don't want, but adding salt to popcorn gives it a very nice taste. After which we add sugar. I'll be using 1/3 cup of sugar because I'm using half cup of corn. So you take your measurements according to the quantity of corn you are using. You can use less sugar, you can use more sugar. Then the star of the day, we say we are making chocolate popcorn. If you're not making chocolate popcorn, just add your corn and then mix it. But because I'm using chocolate popcorn, after adding the sugar, the next thing I'll add is my cocoa powder. I'm using cocoa powder for this. You can also use chocolate bars for this, but I'm using cocoa powder. Then I'll mix it together, add the corn and mix together. Mix this for some time. The whole thing, the oil and the cocoa powder will dissolve. Then when the corn starts popping, you will notice it will be doing bam, bam. When it starts doing bam, bam, and then you're seeing that the corn is popping, then you cover your pot on low heat also. Cover your pot and allow the corn to pop. While it is popping, you can be shaking it a little, you shake it a while, leave it again, it will keep popping until all the corn in the pot has popped. Very simple, very easy. Anybody can make this popcorn at home. Hope you're going to try this. Do let me know when you try yours how it came out.
Of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tunes so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew.
And here we have our popcorn ready in just few minutes, and it came out lovely, crunchy, crispy, delicious, yummy. Describe it any how you want. It came out lovely. You will love this. Your kids will love this. Your visitors will love this. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune.